question that will shock you. Namaste, friends. Today, I am going to share a story that sounds almost impossible to believe. Look around you today. We live in a world of more than 8 billion people. We have huge cities, advanced technology, artificial intelligence, space missions, and modern medicine. But do you know, there was a time in human history when our entire species was standing on the edge of extinction. Yes, friends. There was a period when only a very small group of humans remained on Earth, and if those few people had lost hope, you and I would not be here today. This is not just a story of survival, it is a story of courage, cooperation, and the unstoppable spirit of humanity. A fascinating study published in 2023 revealed something extraordinary about our ancient past. Scientists analyzed the DNA patterns of thousands of modern humans using advanced genetic models. Their research suggested that around 930,000 years ago, our human ancestors went through a massive population decline. For a long period of time, the number of humans capable of reproduction may have reduced to around 1,280 individuals. Just imagine. The entire future of humanity was carried forward by a tiny group of survivors. Those 1,280 people were not kings or powerful leaders. They were ordinary humans, but their courage became the foundation of our existence. The Great Challenge, when nature tested humanity. Now the question arises, what caused such a massive decline? Was it a great war? Was it an attack from another civilization? No. The enemy was nature itself. Earth was going through a period of extreme climate change. A severe ice age created harsh conditions. Many regions faced water shortages. Forests reduced. Food became difficult to find. Animals disappeared. And humans, too, struggled for survival. Today, we can easily buy food from markets. But thousands of generations ago, every single day was a battle for survival. Finding water, finding food, protecting the family, staying alive. The story of survival. The power of togetherness. Friends, imagine those ancient humans living in small groups. The cold winds are blowing. Resources are disappearing. Danger is everywhere. Yet they did not surrender. They supported each other. They hunted together. They protected their children. They shared knowledge. This was the greatest strength of humanity. Humans were not the strongest animals. We were not the fastest. We did not have sharp claws or powerful bodies. But we had something unique, a creative mind and the ability to cooperate. That became our greatest survival tool. A gift born from crisis. Discovering the power of fire. One of the most beautiful lessons from this period is that challenges often create innovation. During difficult times, humans learned to control and use fire. Fire changed everything. It provided warmth during freezing nights. It protected humans from wild animals. It helped prepare food. It became a turning point in human evolution. Many scientists believe that difficult environments encouraged humans to develop better communication, stronger social bonds, and improved problem-solving abilities. Sometimes, the biggest challenges create the biggest transformations. The greatest lesson: humanity survives through cooperation. Friends, the story of those 1,280 survivors teaches us a powerful lesson. They survived because they stood together. They understood that life was not about individual strength, it was about collective strength. Think about a forest. A single tree can be destroyed by a powerful storm, but thousands of trees standing together create a strong ecosystem. Human beings are the same. Our greatest power is unity. What if those 1,280 people had given up? Let us pause and imagine, what if those ancient humans had lost hope? What if they had stopped caring for their children? What if they had refused to cooperate? Maybe there would be no human civilization today. No inventions, no science, no art, no stories, no us. Every person watching this podcast carries the legacy of those unknown survivors. Their courage flows through our history. The message for modern humans. Friends, today our challenges are different. Some people face financial struggles. Some face health challenges. Some struggle with stress, loneliness, or uncertainty. But human history gives us a powerful reminder: difficult times do not define us. Our response to difficulties defines us. A species that survived from just a few thousand ancestors and built an entire civilization has incredible strength within. We need faith, we need patience, and we need the willingness to move forward together. A thought-provoking question. Friends, the next time you feel weak or hopeless, remember this. You are a descendant of people who survived the greatest challenges of human history. Inside you exists the courage, intelligence, and determination of countless generations. Now I want to ask you a question. What do you think? Was rebuilding humanity from such a small population just a matter of luck, or was it the result of human determination, cooperation, and the refusal to give up? Share your thoughts in the comments. I am Mensi, and I will meet you again with another inspiring story. Thank you.